Chat GPT. I'm sure you have heard of this word by now. There is a lot of news, a lot of buzzword around this on the news channels, on the LinkedIn profile, on the social media websites. Everywhere it is there. It is going to eat most of jobs on the software engineering. This is also there. A lot of rumors are there. So we should understand what chat gpt is offering, what it is there. So up till now, in area of search engine, when it comes to using internet, Google is the first thing coming into our mind. Anything to search and google it. But there is this word chat gpt. After, go to chat gpt and learn this one, search this one. It is better than Google. So have you tried this chat gpt, how it is better than Google, and what about all the buzzwords that are there? So I'm trying to focus on that. In this couple of videos around this one. So there is no slide, no ppt around this, just things in action. How am I using chat gpt? I am going to collect informations around tips and tricks, how effectively can we use chat gpt in our daily life, and how it can make our lives easier. So if there is a news, there is a buzzword around this that it is better than Google, and it is a, so there is keyword conversational AI. I have actually put a LinkedIn article around this one. I'll put the link in the description box. You can go ahead and check out that also. So what is that conversational AI? How it is different from Google search engine? So no theory. I'm just going to show you the demo. Same search as we are going to perform on chat gpt on the Google search. See how it is different. Believe me, it is amazing. It can, if you know the tips and tricks and you know the intricacies, how can you use in chat gpt and what is your need in your daily life, it can help you a lot. Okay, so let's get started with this one. Chat gpt has been built by OpenAI, the portal that you can see. It is displayed here. OpenAI is the company that has built ChatGPT. So there is till now there has been like different versions of ChatGPT. So GPT-4 is the latest version on this one. If you come down, you can see a lot of article. I'm not going to walk through this one. You can just go ahead and check out this one. So coming to this ChatGPT, we have trained a model called ChatGPT, which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue formats makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistake, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate. This is very interesting. That first couple of lines that has been written here. It works in a conversational way. You can assume it. There is a third person sitting behind you, you're talking to him or her. You can ask anything, it will answer you appropriately, right? So further information, try ChatGPT, read more about ChatGPT. So if you hit on this article here, it will take you to one more article. So just to get more information, you can read more about this one, samples, and these are the intricacies of the artificial intelligence and how it is being built. But I'm not interested in this one. I am interested ChatGPT as a tool. How can I use it and how it can make my life easier? So this is the portal. Auth login, you just sign up, is a pretty trivial. So you just you must have a Google account or Microsoft account. You just search that, you will be able to log in that one. Okay, so I'm moving to logged in one, so where I am already logged in. So this is the chart openai.com where I'm already logged in. You can see the histories. It also maintains a history of all the interactions that you do. First, when you logged in, all these histories you won't be able to see. You will see bottom of this one, and this page you will be able to see that when you logged in. Before coming into this one, you can see lots of articles. If ChatGPT can disrupt Google in 2023, what about your company? Is ChatGPT a threat to search engine? ChatGPT will impact Google search. There is a lot of news articles, as I told you. You can go and read more about it, and I'm sure you might have come across this one if you are in the IT industry. This might not be new for you, and by now if you have LinkedIn profile and all that, so on social media accounts, this is everywhere actually. Now coming to the purpose of this video, what I wanted to do. So we are Java developers, right? So let's interact that way. I'm going to fire similar query on the ChatGPT and Google also. Let's do that. Top Java interview question. So let's first hit, just close this one. First hit our Google. So if we search here, it gives us the like recommendations, also gives us 10 years experience and all that, but I just want to search. So you see all the website links, third-party website links we're getting. If we click on this one, we'll get more information around this one. So see here, top Java interview questions. Yeah, straight away it is giving you the questions. What is difference between abstract class? What is difference between class and object? What is the difference between error and exception, final keyword, public, string builder, hash map, synchronization block? You can just read these out questions on the screen itself, that video, the video that you're watching. Just pause the video and read out all the question, or you can go ahead and log into the chat openai.com and fire this query yourself. You will see. So you see, by just a single query you were able to see things here, but in search engine you just have to go to the different links and look for that. So you asked for the interview questions, there is no mention of the answers of this one, right? But when you go and questions, it is like answers also there. There is no crisp detail is not there, that what am I expecting from here. If I ask you, if you are in front of me, we are talking face to face, if I ask you give me top interview questions, you will tell me just questions, not the answers, because I'm not looking for the answer as of now. Maybe I just want to practice it, so I'm not interested in the answers as of now. So I want to look for the questions. So you saw the difference, right? So this is, now go a bit deeper in here. Okay, so on it remembers your conversation also, top Java interview questions, like, so this is like I'm not sure this list of questions is for fresher who is just coming out of college, or it is for industry expert who has 10 plus or 20 plus years of experience in industry. So when you appear for the interview, the kind of questions asked is different for the fresher and interview. This is obvious, right? So I want to filter that one, modify. So I want to, what is the straightforward search I can do? So top Java interview questions in the search engine. How will I do it? Top Java interview questions for experienced, for 10 years experience. If I search it again, I'll get some this one again, the articles. But here notice, here I hit entire query question for 10 years, but here what I can see, maybe it's ChatGPT kind of thing is there, third person is behind me. Java professional. So it has started generating the response. Yeah, now it is coming. So now you will see the difference. Explain the different types of class loading mechanisms in Java and their order of precedence. This is important, right? A fresher is not expected to know this. How do you optimize the performance of a Java application? Now you're seeing the questions about optimization, different ways of creating thread. Explain concept of garbage collection in Java and how it works. Explain the JMM, Java memory model. What is reflection and how it is used. So you see the kind of different questions that it is asking you now for the 10 plus years of experience. So again, go this way, modify just passing out of college. So I am not very good in English, so grammatical, but it takes care of the everything. So I am just passing out of college. Now you see the difference. What is the Java and what are its key features? What is difference between primitive data type and reference data type in Java? Different data structures available in Java, object in Java, different types of control statements. What is the difference between a method and a constructor in Java? So I have see the difference of the question. So now Let's go a bit step more. I have seen this question. Now I want answers in couple of lines. So let's type this one. Yeah, it will give you now. Sure. Here are the indicative answers. So point wise, so the number one, what is Java and what is its key features? Java is object oriented programming and all that. So numbering, it remembers the previous result that it has given you, 1 2 3 4 20. So it will give you the 20 answers here. At any point of time, for good with the answer, you can stop generating this one. Let's say stop it. So it will stop generating now at the number 11. So I don't want to go to read the question here and answer here. I want, please, while answering, these are the questions that I'm having based on the response that it is giving. You might have your own question, you interact and ask that questions, right? So it is giving, so this is what I wanted. What is Java? Below that answer, like the question below that, I should have that answer. So it is giving that one to me. So you see the potential of this one. I'm going to come up with lots of more videos. Like this is the one thing that while you going for the interviews, you want to see these kind of interactions and want to prepare for this one. The most important thing, it is going to remember your history. You can go and revise that at any point of time. So I'll stop generating. I want to do one more thing. So maybe English is not my native language. So what I can do, it can translate that as well. कैसे काम अमेजिंग तरीके से काम करता है. No, what it is doing, it is writing in English, but it is like it will ये pronounce ऐसे करेगा कि हाँ ठीक है हिंदी में है. देखो, श्योर, हियर इज द ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ द प्रीवियस रिस्पॉन्स इन हिंदी. जावा क्या है और उसके मुख्य गुण क्या हैं? जावा एक हाई लेवल ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है जो एंटरप्राइज एप्लीकेशंस, वेब एप्लीकेशन और मोबाइल एप्लीकेशंस डेवलप करने के लिए वाइड स्प्रेड यूज होती है. इसके मुख्य गुण प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंस, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग, सिंप्लिसिटी और सिक्योरिटी है. आपने देखा ये इट इज ट्रांसलेटिंग दैट बट नॉट इन लाइक प्योर हिंदी और समथिंग. जैसे हम बात करते हैं ना एक दूसरे से, अगर आपको हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स करनी होती है, इट इज ट्रांसलेटिंग इन दैट वे. जावा में प्रिमिटिव डेटा टाइप और रेफरेंस डेटा टाइप में क्या अंतर है? प्रिमिटिव डेटा टाइप एक बेसिक डेटा टाइप है जो सिंपल वैल्यूज, सो इट इज मिक्सिंग इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी प्रॉपरली. मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करा था इस तरह का आंसर एक्चुअली. मैंने ये सोचा था कि ये हिंदी में मुझे ट्रांसलेट करके देगा. यूजुअली गूगल पे जाओ, आप ट्रांसलेट करने के लिए बोलो तो वो ट्रांसलेट करता है, बट आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस. जैसे इंटीजर्स, कैरेक्टर्स और बुलियंस वैल्यू को स्टोर करता है. रेफरेंस डेटा टाइप दूसरी तरफ मेमोरी में ऑब्जेक्ट्स के रेफरेंस को स्टोर करता है, जैसे स्ट्रिंग और एरेज. जावा में अलग अलग डेटा स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? सो नाउ लेट्स डू, बिकॉज माई एक्सपेक्टेशन वॉज टू सी दिस इन हिंदी. हे सो बिट ऑफ ये उसको समझ लेता है, मतलब जो भी आपका नॉर्मल प्रोग्रामेटिक मिस्टेक होता है वो सारी चीज़ें. नाउ इट इज़ डूइंग द सेम थिंग, प्रॉपर मिक्स ऑफ दैट थिंग. अगर जावा को आप हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करने के लिए जाओगे तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. हाई लेवल को करने के लिए जाओगे तो वेन अगर पूरा रीड आउट करोगे आप तो उसको काफ़ी उस तरह काफ़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स दिखेगा उसको रीड करने में. बट इस तरह में जैसे हम डेली लाइफ में, अगर आप हिंदी आपकी नेटिव लैंग्वेज है तो आप ऐसे ही बात करोगे, राइट? जावा एक हाई लेवल ऑब्जेक्ट एंड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है जो एंटरप्राइज एप्लीकेशंस और वेब एप्लीकेशंस, मोबाइल एप्लीकेशंस डेवलप करने के लिए. अगर आप मोबाइल एप्लीकेशंस डेवलप का हिंदी वर्जन अभी मैं करके दिखाता हूँ आपको क्या आएगा. वैसे तो आप देख रहे हो, इट इज लाइक प्रैक्टिकल. इट सीम्स लाइक समवन इज सिटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एंड आई एम टॉकिंग टू हिम. So let's come to that one. Not good. Each and every word in Hindi. Yes, now it will. It is not behaving that way. I think there it's up to some extent it has tried like widespread use. Java को कहीं कहीं पे उसने कर दिया. but it is good, right? So stop. I just force it to do that, please. ठीक है, it is now doing that, right? Not a single word of English. जावा क्या है, इसके मुख्य गुण क्या है? जावा एक उच्च स्तरीय ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग भाषा है जो इंटरप्राइज अनुप्रयोगों, वेब अनुप्रयोगों और मोबाइल अनुप्रयोगों के लिए व्यापक रूप से उपयोग की जाती है। इसके मुख्य गुणों में प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंस, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग, सरलता और सुरक्षा शामिल है। Again, it went to its own mode. Still some of the places it is using English word because it is finding that hard to get that right, but it is cool. So I'll stop generating. You can interact your way and see the complete response. So let's see how many languages it can translate. So let's see how it responds. As an AI language model, I have been trained on a vast corpus of text from various languages. I can translate into several languages, including but not limited to English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Korean, Arabic, and Hindi. However, my language proficiency may vary depending on the language and the complexity of the text. So let's talk another language from India. Let's translate that above into Sanskrit. Sanskrit, let's see. So it you just referenced that you want the translation of this one, so it is doing that. I'm not sure if you know the Sanskrit or not, but it is how it is. Java ki astad etad mukhyam gudani ke. I know bit of Sanskrit. Java uच्च स्तरीय object oriented programming bhasha asti. It is cool, yaar. I'll stop generating. So let's see one more translation and let's conclude this. We'll see more tips and tricks like this one and funny things. Funny actually not, but funny in a way that it is how good it is. Okay, so please just copy this one. Spanish. I don't know Spanish, so I can't verify it. But it is. But in Spanish, it is pretty good, right? So see the speed that it is responding. In Sanskrit and Hindi, that proficiency was a bit low, but here it is doing like pretty cool speed. So it has given me the example also. So yeah, let's stop this one. Now you see the potential. This is just one FAQ and Java I have seen. So I want to introduce many more, how it is helping me in daily life, in many things actually, reading the articles, translating. I want to accomplish anything. There is many more, like I can ask it to solve particular problem, how it is doing, how can verify this. So there are limitations also of ChatGPT. You cannot replace a real human being with this one, but you can make your life easy with ChatGPT. Okay, but you have to ask, you have to come up with the questions that you have, then only it can respond to you. You can consider it as a jinn sitting in front of you. Ask anything, you will get the answer. So a good buddy, you can technical intelligent buddy, you can say it is there. So if you're not using, try to use this. If you're using this, help me also use it effectively by putting your things like how are you using in the comment section. If you have any problem statement, put that in the comment section. We'll try to interact that problem with the ChatGPT. So yeah, that's all about it. I am coming up with more videos around this one because this is going to be the integral part of our software engineers. So how can you use this one effectively? Okay, so see you in some other video. Take care. Bye bye.